Hello, I am going to show you how to start a Quizlet. I selected this resource because it is a great way for students to make their own study guides, which helps them. I can also make a study guide for them on this, and it is great for vocabulary words. So if you have a lot of vocabulary words, this is a great way for them to review and study and get a great base for what they need to know. My intended audience for this is definitely my students. My two ISTE standards would be S1C, where students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and to determine their learning in a variety of ways. So they can get feedback from this Quizlet on their vocabulary words. My second ISTE standard would be S1B. Students build networks and customize their learning environments in ways that support the learning process. So for them to be able to create something on their own to help them study, I think is a great way to for them to learn. So that's why I chose Quizlet. I set up my account already, but if you just go to Quizlet.com, it will ask you to create, I think. So I just have Write Ag Teacher. I typed in a title, agronomy terms. You can also add a label or a diagram. So if you click choose an image, it'll go to my folders. I'll click cats, we'll open, and there's a picture for my agronomy terms. Okay. I already put two questions in. The term was piglet, the definition a baby pig, term yearling, the definition is between 1 and 2 years of age. Okay, if I want to add more cards, I click here. The students can also do this themselves for whatever words they need to work on. So they can customize it to put words in there that if they already know it, they don't need to put it in, but they can if they want. Let's see, let's put bovine, definition is cattle. Let's see, Latin term for cattle. We can click another term. We could do squab, which is a pigeon. We could add another card. We could put sow, female pig that has had babies. Okay, and so on, and you can add as many as you want. Okay, when you're done, you're going to click up here for done. Okay, it will save it, and then you can change, it's visible to everyone, only editable by me. You can change or keep that the same. Okay, if we go down here and click done, and then it goes back to your first page, agronomy terms. We can do it as flashcards. So if you click flashcards, Latin term for cattle, click play. We'll tell you bovine. Okay, female pig that has had babies should be a sow. Pigeon is a squab. Between 1 and 2 years old is known as a yearling. And a baby pig is a piglet. Okay, so it shows their progress. You can play it as a game. If you want, you can set it up that way. Go back. Then you can click try learn. You can write. You can spell. You can do a test. You can do match. I haven't tried gravity yet. And then live, you can play as a team. So like 3 people can be on, or 2 people on a team. If you have 2 teams, you can have as many teams as you want with many players. And each team gets to work together to finish the vocabulary, and it will show you what team won. If you have a team that wins, you could reward them with a piece of candy, any kinds of things that you can do. But I really like this because it puts the power in the students' hands and has them in charge of their learning.